Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security at 62. First, understand that applying at 62 means you'll receive a reduced benefit compared to waiting until your full retirement age. This reduction can be up to 30% for those born in 1960 or later. We'll cover the steps to ensure a smooth application process, from gathering your documents to submitting your claim. To be eligible, you generally need 40 work credits, which you earn by working and paying Social Security taxes. You can earn up to 4 credits each year. When applying, have your birth certificate, Social Security card, and proof of U.S. citizenship or lawful alien status ready. Also, gather your W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns for the past 2 years to verify your earnings. You have 3 convenient ways to apply: online, by phone, or in person at your local Social Security office. The online application is often the quickest, taking around 15 minutes if you have all your information handy. Regardless of how you apply, be ready to provide details about your work history, including employers and earnings, to ensure your benefits are calculated accurately. While applying at 62 offers earlier access to your benefits, remember that your monthly payment will be permanently reduced compared to waiting. This decision depends on your personal financial situation and health. It's a good idea to use the Social Security Administration's online tools to estimate your benefits at different ages. Also, for a fantastic upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.